Good morning, students. For grammar, I have posted two videos, one for present simple and second was for past simple. Let me summarize little bit about present simple and past simple. Present simple, we studied that first form of the verb or is or es is added in present simple tense. That is present simple tense. We read that with he, she, it, we use s or es in the first form of the verb, while for plural subject we don't use s or es, we use only first form. We also read that for making negative in present simple we use do not and does not. Do not and does not. With singular does not and with plural do not. For making question, do and does is used. If I talk about past tense, so it is used for narrating stories, past incident, and we use second form of the verb in affirmative sentence of past. For negative, we use did, not and plus first form, means didn't plus first form. That is the previous two lessons. With exercise I gave, but I have not got anyone's evidence of doing any homework. Hardly 12 students out of more than 100 students, I have got only 12 students who have given something to me. I have maintained the record of these students. Of course, these students are going to be benefited at the end of the year, because that whatever we are teaching, that is going to include your internal marks also. So of course, those students who are giving me feedback, those who are giving me their evidences that yes, they are studying, they are doing something, they will be benefited. I am maintaining their record. Okay, that was another part. Here this third video is about past continuous tense, which is used mostly with the combination of past simple and past continuous. So it's very important one. Structure is very simple. Firstly, you try to understand it is used for telling incidents which were taking place in a particular time of past, like 6 to 7 in the evening, yesterday in the afternoon, while going, while coming, while studying, while reading, when I was calling. In such situation, when we mention a particular time, in that particular time what was happening, for showing such action we use past continuous tense. Examples you can see. I was taking class between 9 am to 2 pm yesterday. My mother was cooking food in the evening. My friends were playing cricket in the evening on Sunday. These are the examples of past continuous tense. There are some signal words which show that yes, it is the past continuous. These are when, then, that time, while, when, etc. Here structure you can see that one. Subject, was, were, first form plus ing. In the first form plus ing, I mean to say that present participle, it is used with the first form plus ing form. There are 6 sentences you can see. The first one you can see here, that is the affirmative one. He was reading a book. Since he is a singular one, that's why was is used, but if it is plural then were will be used. In negative sentence we use was not. He was not watching TV at 8. Yes no question, when you are making question yes no, where you can give answer in yes or no, so we put was or were in front, like was he reading a book at 8, wasn't he reading a book at 8. And if you have to make question word, then we add question words just in front of was and were, like where was he going yesterday in the evening, why wasn't he reading book at 8 pm. This way we make questions. Now here you see that the most important one, that combination of past simple and past continuous. Actually past continuous is used mostly with a combination, and combination is of past simple and past continuous. Earlier as I told you that past simple is the second form of the verb. For making negative we use did, and past continuous was, were plus ing form just now we read. So always combination goes like that, past simple and past continuous, past simple and past continuous. Examples you can see here. Someone knocked the door when I was taking bath. So when I was taking bath, one action was going on. If any other action happen in the middle, then it is known as combination of past simple and past continuous. Once again I am explaining. If any action was going on, it was in continuous, and all of a sudden some other action happened in the middle. So the all of a sudden the action happened, that is used in past simple, and the action which was going on, it is used in past continuous. So here see the second example. My phone rang, all of a sudden rang when I was doing my meditation. Means meditation was in prior, it was going on, and in the middle what action happened? That phone rang. A dog came under my bike when I was coming home. So coming home was in a process, and all of a sudden another action took place in the middle. In the same way, he slipped from the stairs when he was going on terrace. In this way we use a past continuous tense with the combination of present with the combination of past simple and past continuous. See another example. Ravi fell down when he was running to catch the bus. So action of running was going on, and all of a sudden another action happened, that he slipped and fell down. So this way you might have understood here that second form of the verb is the past simple tense, and ing form is the past continuous tense. It is used mostly in the combination of past simple and past continuous. See, for practicing this you need to do exercise regularly, and then you will be able to understand better. Here is one exercise for you which you have to do, and you have to note down in copy also. All the tense like present simple tense, past simple tense, past continuous, these all should be written in fair copy. Complete the past continuous form in the following. First sentence I am reading. I read a book when he came. So you have to use the correct form. When he came, all of a sudden it is the second form. So here second one will be the I was reading a book when he came in. Next example. The sun shine when he went out. So correct answer will be the sun was shining when he went out. So you have to write the answer of all these questions in past continuous tense, because past simple is given. You have to use the correct form of verb. Second exercise is here it's not given that where it is past continuous, where past simple. You have to identify and you have to make past continuous and past simple. I speak to her several times, but she always read and not hear me. First one I am going to do for you. I spoke to her several times, but she was always reading and did not hear me. Or even you are writing that not hearing me, but not hearing is not used, because the work which are done by our five sense organs we don't use in continuous tense. So here did not hear me. Once again I am repeating. I spoke to her several times, but she was always reading and did not hear me. In the same way you are going to use all these exercise. If you don't understand any exercise, you can ask question in the given time slot. It is 12 to 2. Between 12 to 2 you can ask any question, and if you have doubt in all these exercise of past continuous, then I'll give the answer to all of you. I hope you might have understood this past simple, past continuous and present simple. And yes, once again I am reminding that I have got only 12 students evidence who have done in their fair copy or the pages. So I have noted down their names. I hope that rest of you, those who are using these facility for studying, you are going to submit me your evidence that yes, you have studied, you have gone through the videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.